Sweet. This cake is incredibly sweet. Sour. The lemon juice is quite sour. Salty. These pretzels are a bit too salty for me. Bitter. The black coffee has a bitter aftertaste. Umami. This aged cheese has a strong umami flavor. Crispy. I love the crispy skin on roasted chicken. Crunchy. These apples are nice and crunchy. Chewy. Gummy bears have a chewy texture. Creamy. This ice cream is deliciously creamy. Fluffy. These pancakes are light and fluffy. Hot. Be careful, the soup is very hot. Warm. The bread is still warm from the oven. Cold. This lemonade is perfectly cold and refreshing. Cool. The salad is cool and crisp. Icy. This drink is so icy it hurts my teeth. Spicy. The curry is quite spicy, but delicious. Tangy. The yogurt has a tangy flavor from the berries. Aromatic. The freshly baked bread has an aromatic smell. Rich. This chocolate cake is rich and decadent. Light. This salad dressing is light and refreshing. Delicious. This pizza is absolutely delicious. Flavorful. This dish is full of flavorful spices. Mouth-watering. The smell of those cookies is mouth-watering. Delectable. This cake is absolutely delectable. Savory. This stew is savory and comforting. Bland. This chicken is a bit bland, it needs some seasoning. Greasy. These fries are a bit too greasy for me. Dry. This cake is a bit dry, I need some milk with it. Bitter. The coffee is a bit too bitter for me. Stale. This bread is stale, I need to buy a new loaf. Hearty. This soup is a hearty and satisfying meal. Refreshing. This fruit salad is refreshing on a hot day. Zingy. These lemons have a zesty flavor. Buttery. These croissants are flaky and buttery. Nutty. This chocolate has a nutty flavor. Extremely. This dish is extremely spicy. Slightly. The coffee is slightly bitter. Moderately. The soup is moderately spicy. Quite. The cake is quite sweet. Fairly. This dish is fairly salty.